So this is my first unboxing ever. It's actually a present given to me by my partner, the Swiftcam M3s. According to this, it's a Red Dot Award 2015 winner. I'm not sure what that means, but so my first impression is it's definitely packaged nicely. It reminds me of Apple type of packaging. So let's crack this open here. It's a magnetic latch here, which is really nice. Some basic instructions, pressure clip, kind of some general instructions on how to set the unit up, and I guess even how to connect it to the Bluetooth. So once you open up the box, you have this nice pouch, premium feel too. So I mean, I bought this, well, he bought it for me for 99 bucks on Amazon, so I'm kind of surprised at the quality of this. So here's some setup instructions. It's a nice manual here. According to this, has some cables, sponges, how to operate. Cool. Here's a cover. The charge cable. I'm not sure what this is for. Probably to cover one of the motors. Again, I'm not sure what this is. For the batteries. Has a nice grommet here. Again, some 3M tape. Again, I'm not really sure what this is for yet. Chargeable batteries. What are these? The 18, 850, 900 milliamp. And finally, the actual gimbal itself. This is pretty nice. Right now it's locked. It's a pretty sturdy feel to it. The edges look pretty decent. It's funny because the reviews on Amazon say that it doesn't look like a high quality piece, but just the heft feels pretty cool. And again, the packaging is excellent. Just the overall contour and build looks pretty good. So this is everything in the box. Again, this is the gimbal, battery pack, actual batteries, some sort of cover. I forgot what this goes. USB instructions, some 3M taped. I don't know. I guess they go somewhere for protection. And this rubber, steel nut. So once it's assembled, I'll add some more to the video with my hands, right? So I'm back here. The batteries are fully charged now, and as it turns out, inside the box they actually gave us an additional 3 batteries from Amazon. So it's not listed in the guide, so it's definitely a bonus add. Guide is actually pretty decent with a QR code reader. You can it launches a bunch of great tutorials on how to set it up, how to start it up, and actually use it. So it's a pretty cool app here also that it comes with. So just up front, I'll tell you now to go ahead and download the Swiftcam app, which we're going to use in a second. Turns out this here is actually the battery cover, and the batteries, the positive tip goes in first. Once you do that, it works. And as you saw, this light up already. Now the other thing is, this here actually turns out is it's a balancing plug. So if you use a larger phone, such as the one I use here, you will need that. So the way it works is, so you want to unlock it, turn it around, put it facing you, squeeze down, and load your phone with the home button closest to the motor here. You notice though, once you do that, the phone is just going to want to flop over that way. And what this does is it balances it out, which is great. Let's go back to the camera. According to this, it's on full follow. Yep, there you go. So you can actually control it. And it's a pretty decent job. See what other functions are here. Full, that's full follow. Pan follow. So I guess that's just left and right. And full lock. So we'll lock on whatever it was you were pointing at. So excellent. So keep an eye out for some footage I'm gonna record and upload. And again, thank you for joining us on this product unboxing. Very fluid. Right, buddy? Is buddy approved? Well, I guess I'm gonna do this all day, huh? Quick shout out to my assistant today. Thank you. And that concludes our review.